Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete any deck that you don't need on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hearthstone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will end up within the main menu, from which you can directly start playing. Now, if you wish to delete any deck that you have created, click on the My Collection button from the main menu. Now, within this page, you will be shown all of your decks that you have created at the right side. Now, if you wish to delete any deck, simply hover over to this deck and click on the cross icon. You will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this deck. Click on the confirm button, and now this deck will be removed from your decks right away. If you simply wish to edit or modify your cards, you can click on the respective deck, and now you will be able to click and drag any card that you don't need out from this deck. And you may also add other cards into this deck by clicking and dragging it into your deck. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any deck that you don't need on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.